Good morning to you all, my dear students. I welcome you all to this YouTube class. Yesterday, we discussed regarding our adverb clauses. Today, we will discuss our conditional clauses. I am Gopabandhu Das, Assistant Teacher, Brajendra High School, Nayagarh. Again, I welcome you all to this live class. I am going to discuss your conditional clauses. Yesterday in our class, we have discussed adverb clauses and various types of adverb clauses, and conditional clause is one of them. We will know what is a conditional clause. Look at the screen, my dear students. Conditional sentences are sentences that have two parts, or in a conditional clause we have two parts. One is conditional part, or we say if clause, another one is the main clause. And one clause states a particular condition that is necessary for the consequence or outcome expressions in the other clause. The first clause is sometimes called the if clause, but this can be confusing sometimes when there is no if in a if clause. There may be other words or phrases in its place. That means we can use in place of if, unless, when, as soon as long as, in spite of, in case, despite, even if, on condition that, supposing, and whether or not. My dear students, sometimes we can omit if, and in place of if we can use despite, in case, as long as soon as, when, etc. So, when we will discuss the conditional clause, we should remember certain points. Look at the sentence here. If you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. So, if you work hard is the condition, and sequence or result, you will succeed. पिला माने कंडीशन टा एठी हैला तुमे जदि कठिन परिश्रम कर ताहाले तुमको सफलता मिलिबो, तुमे सफल हबो. ताहाले हियर व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? कंडीशन हैला इफ यू वर्क हार्ड, जदि तुमे कठिन परिश्रम करिवो ताहाले तुमे सफलता प्राप्त हबो, यू विल सक्सीड. सो यू विल सक्सीड इज द consequence, फलाफल, एंड कंडीशन हैला तुमे जदि कठिन परिश्रम करिवो, इफ यू वर्क हार्ड. पिला माने गोटे इंपोर्टेंट जिंस आमे मध्य प्रथमे एठी आमे कोन करिचे, इफ क्लॉज को बा कंडीशनल क्लॉज को प्रथमे रखिचे एवं मेन क्लॉज को द्वितीय रे रखिचे. इफ यू वर्क हार्ड यू विल सक्सीड. कंडीशनल क्लॉज फर्स्ट, देन मेन क्लॉज or the consequence. But we can also use the consequence first, then the condition. अर्थात मेन क्लॉज को प्रथम रखी परिबा एवं कंडीशनल क्लॉज को द्वितीय मध्य रखी परिबा. जेमिति कि you will pass the exam if you work hard. You will pass the exam if you work hard. एठी आमे कोन करिचे, मेन क्लॉज को प्रथम रखिचे एवं कंडीशनल क्लॉज को द्वितीय रखीचे एवं लक्ष्य कर प्रथमे आमे जो कमा व्यवहार करथिले जेतेबेले कंडीशनल क्लोज को प्रथमे व्यवहार करूचे इफ यू वर्क हार्ड सेठी कमा देले तापरे मेन क्लोज लिखिले यू विल सक्सीड किंतु प्रथमे जेतेबेले मेन क्लोज को व्यवहार करूचे एवं कंडीशनल क्लोज को द्वितीय व्यवहार करूचे सेतेबेले आमे कमाटी को उठेई दउचे यू विल पास द एग्जाम इफ यू वर्क हार्ड एठी आमे कमा रखी नाही कारण कोन एठी आमे मेन क्लोज को प्रथम रो रखीचे प्रिंसिपल क्लोज को प्रथम रो रखीचे ओके आमे वर्तमान जानिबा ते कंडीशनल क्लोज रो प्रकार भेद टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशनल्स केते प्रकार रो कंडीशनल क्लोज आमे व्यवहार करिबा you should know conditional clause is broadly divided into four types चारि भाग रे आमे विभक्त करिबा four types type 1 zero type condition or we can say general condition that is zero type condition then type 1 condition or we can say condition 1 type 1 that is open condition or real condition then our type 2 condition that is condition 2 that is hypothetical condition or we can say imaginary condition or unreal condition then type 3 T3 type 3 that is unfulfilled condition or we can say impossible condition these are four types of conditional clauses and you can know more about the conditional clauses in your higher classes for your syllabus now we have these four types type 0 type 1 type 2 and type 3 now let us discuss the first one that is zero condition type 0 condition and when we will discuss your type 0 condition let us see what will be the structure of the verb structure ta kon hobo dekhiba if clause re verb ro pratham form ti laguche that means सिंपल प्रेजेंट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर रे एस किंबा ईएस व्यवहार होचे एवं मेन क्लॉज रे मध्य वर्ब सिंपल प्रेजेंट व्यवहार हो स्ट्रक्चर सिंपल प्रेजेंट आमे व्यवहार करिबा इन बोथ क्लॉजेस दैट मींस इन इफ क्लॉज एंड मेन क्लॉज एंड वेयर टू यूज टाइप 0 कंडीशन इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस जनरल ट्रूथ साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ और universal truth or law of nature. Zero type conditional clause is used in case of your general truth when we express general truth or scientific truth or universal truth or law of nature. Let us discuss some examples. Look at the examples. If you heat water, it evaporates. If you heat water, it evaporates. Example number 2. If you heat a red hot iron, it expands. Number 3. If water freezes, it turns into ice. Number 4. If I make a promise, I keep it. If I make a promise, I keep it. My dear students, please look at the structure of these sentences, of these clauses. Here, mark the use of comma. If you heat water, then we have used comma because we have used the first conditional clause first. So, we must use comma here. So, look at the first example. If you heat water, it evaporates. This is a scientific truth. So, this type of conditional clauses come under zero type condition clause. Then if you heat red hot iron, it expands. This is also one scientific truth. If water freezes, it turns into ice. Scientific, or we can say universal truth or law of nature. Then if I make a promise, I keep it. Here in both the clauses we have used simple present tense form. So please remember, we can also replace if by when or whenever without any other change. पिला माने आमे प्रथमरु आमे जतबेले डिस्कशन करथिले मु कहिथिली जे इफ को बेले बेले आमे बदली दे परिबा, सेथि पई इफ क्लॉज सब बेले ठीक हो नाही, कारण इफ न थाई कि मध्य आमे कंडीशनल क्लॉज लिखि पारुछे. So when I replace if by when, let us look at the sentence here. When I make a promise, I keep it. You know, in place of when, we used first if I make a promise, I keep it. Here I told you, when I make a promise, I keep it. That means we can replace if by when. This is also possible without any change, without change of any meaning. Meaning change nahi. We can say also, whenever I make a promise, I keep it. Here also I replace if, and in place of if I used whenever. Structure same, meaning same, but only I replaced if and used when or whenever. Now let us discuss type 1 condition. Type 1. We completed type 0 condition. In both the clauses we used simple present. Now we will discuss type 1 condition, and in case of type 1, what happens in if clause? We use simple present. if clause रे आमे simple present व्यवहार करूछे एवं main clause रे will shall व्यवहार करिवा. that means verb रो प्रथम फॉर्म आमे व्यवहार करिवा एवं modal verbs will shall जे बोली बारे modal verbs सेमदी modal verbs in present tense form रे व्यवहार करिवा एवं it is used in the sense of possibility क्षेत्र रे याको व्यवहार करिवा. Example, if you work hard you will get a first division. If you work hard you will get a first division. If you catch the 8 o'clock train you will reach your destination in time. Example number 3, if you prepare your lessons properly you will secure good marks. If you prepare your lessons properly you will secure good marks. Look at these sentences. If you work hard, this is the if clause or conditional clause, and here we use simple present tense form, and in case of main clause we use modal verb will get a first division. That means here will shall type रो modal verb व्यवहार करूचे एवं verb रो प्रथम फॉर्म व्यवहार करूचे. You will get a first division. If you catch the 8 o'clock train you will reach your destination in time. Here also if you catch the 8 o'clock train, simple present tense form, you will reach your destination in time. That is in we use modal verb. Third example, if you prepare your lessons properly you will secure good marks. Here if clause is in simple present form and main clause रे आमे व्यवहार करूचे will shall. That means modals and present tense form. Modal परे simple present form व्यवहार करूचे. You will secure good marks. Then we will discuss type 2 condition. We discussed type 0, then type 1, then type 2 condition. Let us see the structure of type 3 condition. Verbs of if clause V2, that means this is type 2, my dear students, this is type 2. if clause रे आमे past tense form व्यवहार कले V2 past tense form एवं verbs of main clause रे आमे would or could plus V1. Let us see and when to use this type 2 condition. Imaginary action or situation. In case of imaginary action or situation, we use type 2 condition. Examples. If I were a king, I would live in a palace. If I were a king, I would live in a palace. My dear students, this is imaginary situation. The situation is purely imaginary. मु वर्तमान राजा नहीं किंतु मु भावुची इमाजिन करुची जदि मु राजा हेई थांती मु गोटे प्रासाद रे रहु थांती. इमेजिनरी कंडीशन, इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन. एग्जांपल नंबर 2. I would give him a call if I knew his number. I would give him a call if I knew his number. मु प्रकृत रे तांको नंबर जानी नहीं, जदि मु जानी थांती ताहले मु तांको कॉल करंती. दिस इज आल्सो प्योरली इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन. एई क्षेत्र रे आमे टाइप 2 कंडीशन को व्यवहार करिवे एवं स्ट्रक्चर तुमे जानिलो इफ क्लॉज रे पास्ट टेंस यूज करूचे एवं मेन क्लॉज रे वुड कुड व्यवहार करूचे एवं वर्ब रो प्रथम फॉर्म व्यवहार करूचे. तापरे हमें देखिबा टाइप 3 कंडीशन. टाइप 3 कंडीशन and what will be the structure of type 3? Let us discuss the structure of type 3. Verbs of if clause, तापर हमें hard व्यवहार करूचे एवं V3, that means past perfect यूज करूचे एवं verbs of main clause. main clause रो verb कौन रहिबो? would have or could have plus V3 or any modal in past tense plus have plus V3 एवं uses कौन रहिबो? for unfulfilled action or impossible action. for unfulfilled action or impossible action, जो घटनाटा संभव नुहे से क्षेत्र रे आमे टाइप 3 को व्यवहार करूचे. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. एठी अनफुलफिल्ड कंडीशन पे माने इम्पॉसिबल कंडीशन. तुमे मते कही थिले मु तुमको सहाय्य करि थांती. एठी से कही नथिले किंबा मोर सहाय्य मध्य करा जाय नथिला. तेनु दिस इज unfulfilled. If he had driven carefully, he would not have had an accident. If he had driven carefully, he would not have had an accident. जदि से गाड़ी टी को ठीक भाव रे चलाई थांते, he would not have had an accident. तांकर accident होई न थांता. You knew these conditions, 0 condition एवं type 1 condition, type 2 condition, type 3 condition. You can also consult your book. You can see at page 84 the examples given for you. In case of your textbook, the first sentence, that is, if you heat ice, it melts, or ice melts if you heat it. This is the zero condition. If you heat ice, it melts. जदि तुम्हें ice को heat करिबो ताले है तरली जाए. You can also mark the comma here. Here the conditional clause is used first, then the main clause. So we have used a comma here. But when I change this sentence, ice melts if you heat it. Ice melts if you heat it. Here no comma is used because I used the main clause first, then the if clause or conditional clause. And the example given in your text, that is, if you work hard, you will get a first division. And when I use it by changing, by replacing the if clause to the second position and main clause to the first position, then I omitted the comma. You will get a first division if you work hard. Here no comma is used. And type 2 example, if wishes were horses, beggar should ride them. Where wishes horses, beggar should ride them. This is the second condition. And third condition, example number 3D of your text, if he had arrived in time, he could have witnessed the match. Or had he arrived in time, he could have witnessed the match. We can write these sentences in two ways. And what will be the tense in the adverb clause and tense in the main clause? In your zero type condition, we use present simple in the adverb clause, that means if clause, and present simple also in the main clause. And in case of your type 1 condition, we use present simple in the adverb clause or in the if clause, and modal present with will or shall in the main clause. And your type 2 condition, past simple in the adverb clause or in the conditional clause, and modal with past with would have or could have, might, with would, could, might, etc. And in case of your third condition, that is past perfect in the adverb clause or in the conditional clause, past perfect, এবং could have plus past marker or past V3, past participle form of the verb. Would have, could have, then V3 in case of your third conditional clauses. Now let us discuss your activity 3 and activity 4. Yesterday we discussed your activity 1 and 2. So in case of your activity 3, look at the screen and match the adverb clauses with the corresponding main clause and rewrite the sentences starting with the main clauses. पिलामाने एथिरे if clause गुडी का प्रथम रु दिया जाइछि, main clause गुडी का second column रे अछि. आमे कोन करिवा, match the adverb clauses with the corresponding main clause and rewrite the sentences starting with the main clauses. Main clause रु आमे आरंभ करिवा. प्रथम प्रश्नटी को देखो, if you pour oil on water. Now try to connect with the main clause. If you pour oil on water, which will be the correct answer? तेलो को हमें पानी रे if you pour oil on water, ताले कौन हबो? कि कही try to answer. it floats. It floats. If you pour oil on water, it floats. Then, second, if you heat iron, आयरन को जिते गरम करवा कौन हम इट एक्सपैंड्स मेन क्लच आयरन एक्सपैंड्स इफ यू हीट इट इफ द सन सेट्स it becomes dark. If the sun sets, it becomes dark. Then, if it rains today, I shall not go out. If you read the lesson, you can understand. If you read the lesson, you can understand. If we start now, we can reach there in time. If I had wings, I would fly in the sky. If I knew her address, I would take you to her place. If I knew her address, I would take you to her place. If you had not reminded me, I could not have arrived there on time. If you had studied more sincerely, you would have got a first class. My dear students, here we match them, but you have to rewrite the sentences starting with the main clauses. You should change and write the main clause first. Oil floats if you pour it on water. Iron expands if you heat it. In this way, you can write all these sentences and you can complete this task. Let us come to the activity, next activity, activity 4. Activity 4. Complete the following sentences using main clauses. Main clause व्यवहार करी आमे activity 4 टी को complete करिबा. If you meet him, look at this conditional clause. If you meet him, you find this in the present tense form. So, this is the type 1 condition. If you meet him, he will become happy. Main clause we can use. If you meet him, you will know more about him, or we can complete it in this way. If you meet him, he will become happy. Next line, if Mahatma Gandhi were alive today, if Mahatma Gandhi were alive today, try to complete it. If Mahatma Gandhi were alive today, he would make India more developed. He would make India more developed. Had I the wings of a dove, I would fly. ମୁଁ ଉଡ଼ି ପାରନ୍ତି, ମୋର ଯଦି ଡେଣା ଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଉଡ଼ି ପାରୁଥାନ୍ତି. Next, if you boil water up to 100 degrees centigrade, steam comes out. If India won this match, ये को टेंस यूज होइछ पिला माने जदि भारत जीति थांता कोन हि थांता गोटे क्लॉज लगेबा में इफ इंडिया had won this match, it would have played the final. Sorry, my dear students, if India had won this match, You should read it. India had won this match. If my friend comes in time, if my friend comes in time, I shall go with him. If you are not watching TV, then you can or complete your homework or help your mother. If I were you, I would teach him a lesson. If Germany had won the World War II, it would have become the superpower in the world. So, we have completed your activity 3 and activity 4. Thank you very much. Please go through your text and try to complete the other tasks provided for you. Thank you all. भूल कर दिला कंप्लीट